Hello and welcome. My name is Ian. I'm a data scientist, and my partner Paolo is our front end and Solidity engineer, and we are Unstable Labs, the first and only AI text image NFT generator on the blockchain. We are utilizing the new state of the art deep learning model known as Stable Diffusion to allow users to create their own artworks and mint them to the blockchain. Stable Diffusion allows users to generate detailed images based off of text input. Here are some community examples. This invention allows anyone to become a world-class artist with no training, and only their imagination is a limitation. Our goal at Unstable Labs is to provide a tool set for users to create their art and maintain ownership of it using NFTs. One current issue with these models is sometimes to get high quality results, like the ones you just saw, you have to basically write an essay that the AI can understand. This has been dubbed prompt engineering and requires a lot of time and understanding of what words the AI likes to see. To ease the use of our platform and provide our users with a product like no other, we have come up with a fun way to brew an image together in our lab. To do that, we have created different vials that are airdropped to users when they first sign up and can later be obtained through minting or giveaways we plan to do in the future. Here you can see all the vials we've come up with. I'll explain how each works. This first freestyle vial is our basic one, which just allows users to enter whatever they want and receive a result. The collection vial, however, has a pre-made prompt that we have found consistently produces high quality results with a similar look between examples. This was inspired by the ArtBlocks platform, where artists create a script which randomly generates a work of art using the seed of the minted NFT. This was a perfect use case for NFT technology, and we hope to do for AI art what ArtBlocks has done for generative art. Part of the fun of ArtBlocks was that users felt that they had a part to play in the creation of the art. Here at Unstable Labs, they will play an even bigger role, as they get to decide what actually gets generated, but at the same time, they will still share characteristics with every other piece in the collection. We plan to release these as curated sets and allow community members to make their own collections. Next, we have our concept vial. These are similar to the collections in that they share a common aesthetic. However, they are actually individual models themselves that are fine-tuned on a set of images. This added a new word to the model, which allows us to tell it to make the image look a certain way. We believe this is a very powerful tool, which leads to great results, as you can see. We plan to release these similarly to the collections. Of course, you can also test these yourself right now at unstablelabs.app on the Aurora testnet. These next few vials are super exciting, but will be coming soon, so keep an eye out. First, we have our personalized vial, which is actually a bit of a pun because it allows you to add a person into the model, such as myself, as you can see I've done here. This was made possible with just 20 photos of myself. We plan to allow users to upload photos or a link to their Instagram, then they'll be able to create personalized artworks of themselves or even their dog, like I've done with my corgi Cooper. You may also notice I've combined some of the collection vials with Cooper's personalized vial to create a low poly Cooper, a cute stuffed animal Cooper, and so on. Seeing how different vials react with one another is going to be really exciting. For our next vial, alteration, we use a tool called inpainting, which allows a user to erase part of their image and change the prompt to specify the change they'd like to see. Here you can see I've added a top hat to one of Cooper's NFTs. Lastly, we have the stylized vial, which allows us to add style to an existing image. Here you can see I've converted my girlfriend's corgi into a Pixar corgi. I think users can really have a lot of fun with this one, since it can be used on their already existing NFTs or their uploaded photos. So now that we know how the vials work, let's go ahead and use them. First, I'll head over to the lab and input an idea for an image. How about we try a corgi? Everyone loves them, right? Now, we just need to select a collection that looks cool. Psychedelic pop art sounds fun. So now we just need to wait patiently for our vial to mix into our potion and cause a reaction. And here we go. I like this one, so I just need to select it, and now I can use the remix vial on it to get some variation. All right, these look great, but I think this one really pushed it into the right direction. All right, that was too easy. Let's go back and try a river winding through a valley with mountains in the background at sunset. We mix in one of my favorites, the 16-bit concept vial. Now that's what I call art. I want to make this mine so I can brew it here, which mints it as an NFT. Now that I've minted something, I can check it out in the experiments tab. Anyone in the community can come check it out as well and see what everyone else has been brewing up. We want to build a strong community here that can like or comment on each other's art and even sell or trade it to one another. Thanks for watching our presentation, and be sure to come check out the lab at unstablelabs.app to start brewing up your own AI NFTs.